Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all curry lovers of bold flavors. Today we are taking a gourmet trip to Hyderabad with a recipe for restaurant style Hyderabadi beef curry. Forget the bland takeout curries. This dish is an explosion of taste and texture, fit for a royal feast. Layers of aromatic spices melt in your mouth, tender beef and a rich flavorful gravy come together to create an unforgettable Hyderabadi experience. We'll be using authentic techniques and secret ingredients to achieve that restaurant worthy taste right here in your own kitchen. So dust off your fanciest plate, grab some naan or roti and get ready to experience the magic of restaurant style Hyderabadi beef curry. And if you are new on this channel, please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new upload. So now grab your aprons and let's get cooking. So first in a hot pan add oil, add 4 cloves, 12 black peppercorns, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and fry this for about a minute. Then add 2 onions sliced and fry this until the onion is nice and brown. Something like this. Then add 700 grams of beef cut in medium cubes. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry the beef for about 8 to 10 minutes on a high flame. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoon yogurt, add 1 cup water and give this a nice mix. Then cover and cook until the beef is nice and soft. Then in a hot pan add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon fennel seed powder and dry roast the masala for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium to low flame or until you get a nice aroma of masala powder. Then add 4 tablespoon ghee and fry this for about a minute. Then simply add the spice mix to the beef curry. Then add 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon nutmeg grated, add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give this a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube and mix it and boil it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a restaurant worthy Hyderabadi beef curry prepared right in your own kitchen. Look at that glistening tender beef bathed in that rich flavorful gravy. Every bite is an explosion of authentic Hyderabadi spices. A true feast for the senses. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more restaurant inspired recipes like this one. If you are looking to adjust the spice level, simply add or reduce the amount of chili powder to your preference. Oops, almost forgot, this curry tastes even better the next day, so feel free to make a big batch for a meal prep. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they can also try these delicious recipes at home. Also, if you have any question regarding this recipe, then please do comment. I will definitely try and respond it. Now go forth and impress your friends and family with your royal worthy culinary skills. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.